What if I told you you could buy a brand new car this year, get 40 plus miles per gallon, and still have money left over for a full year of gas? No, this isn't a scam. These are the best cars under $20,000 in 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your budget and life's. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I break down car buying so you don't get ripped off by dealerships. Today, we're covering 5 cars new and used that give you the most value under 20 grand. Let's jump right in. First up, the Nissan Versa. This is hands down the cheapest new car you can buy in America right now, starting around $17,000. You get a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty, solid fuel economy around 35 mpg combined, and enough space for a small family. Is it exciting? No, but if you want a brand new car with zero mechanical surprises and low maintenance costs, this is a smart pick, especially for first-time buyers or daily commuters. Next, a used Honda Civic, 2 to 3 years old. You can find these in the $18,000, $20,000 range, with low mileage. Civics are famous for lasting well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Resale value is excellent too, so when you're ready to upgrade, you won't lose much money. This is the safe, reliable pick that mechanics themselves recommend. Third, pick the Hyundai Elantra. New models start around $19,500 and come with one of the best warranties in the industry, 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain. Interior feels more premium than you'd expect at this price, and it comes packed with tech features like a touchscreen and safety sensors that other brands charge extra for. Fourth, a used Toyota Corolla, arguably the most bulletproof car ever made. Find a 2021 to 2022 model under $19,000. And you're getting a car that mechanics say can run 250,000 plus miles with just oil changes and basic upkeep. If you want the lowest long-term ownership cost on this list, this is it. Last one, the Chevrolet Trax, a compact SUV starting under $20,000. If you want more cargo space and a higher driving position without going over budget, this is one of the only new SUVs at this price point. So that's 5 solid options. Whether you want brand new, super reliable, or extra space, which one matches your needs? Drop it in the comments below. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more car buying guides, and I'll see you in the next video.